to exotic animals, and in some parts of the world, as hard as it is to believe, even domesticated animals such as cats and dogs are used to make their leather. Now here at Onyx, we don't believe in sacrificing such marvelous creatures in order to create something that can easily be made out of another material. And that is why our material of choice is, that's right, duct tape. But why duct tape, you ask? Duct tape is completely cruelty-free, meaning it uses absolutely no animal to make. It is also very inexpensive, which can definitely help maximize profit. And it is also very easy to craft with, which will later help maximize productivity. And one of the best parts of them all is there's just so many different designs, not to mention that you can mix and match to create for your perfect wallet. Onyx is a manufacturing and retail business. We manufacture durable, fashionable, and customizable wallets. I've chosen a sole proprietorship, but I'm setting it up as a limited liability company to protect my personal assets. I've chosen a sole proprietorship because I would like to receive maximum profit and benefits. Our mission statement here at Onyx is we provide fashion-loving customers with a stylish, cruelty-free, high-value product at an affordable cost. Nowadays, it is very hard for someone to go out to the store and try to purchase a wallet that isn't made out of leather. And I plan to capitalize on that. By being one of the very few vendors that sell this product, more people will come to me in order to purchase it. Being a teen entrepreneur, I have set some goals for myself, short-term and long-term, as well as for my business. In the near future, I want to start up my own website, where my customers will be able to go on that website and purchase wallets, as well as leave me any feedback. I plan to gain Onyx a respected and well-looked-upon reputation among my customers and other competitors. As for myself, once I launch the website, Onyx will expand greatly, giving me the opportunity to hire people and will only successfully help expand my business. I plan on going to college and majoring in business, and Onyx will give me the experience and the knowledge that I will need to give me the upper hand in my career field. I believe I'm the best qualified candidate for this job to run this business because I am very ambitious. I'm not afraid to go out there and make a sale, whether it's to a single person or a group of people. I've also received numerous awards and recognitions in a program called Future Business Leaders of America, which is a very prestigious program that specializes in business. And they have given me the knowledge that I need to run my own business. And finally, I have great people communication skills due to several speaking seminars I've participated in, giving me the experience that I need to talk to a group of customers or investors. Let's take a look at the market analysis. Wallets fall under the clothing accessory industry, which in 2010 alone made about $12.5 billion. I plan on selling locally in Lake County as well as nationally on Etsy.com, which is a website that specializes in selling handmade crafts. Etsy gets 1.2 billion total page views. They make over 3.3 million sales and average about $61.8 million, and this is in a single month alone. As I mentioned earlier, there are not a lot of vendors that sell this product. The only two that really stood out there were Blue Bamboo and Scrapbook Stones. And as you can see here, I make my wallets more affordable than both of them. And one thing that I offer that neither of them offer is customer service. After I sell a wallet, I follow up with my customer to make sure that they are fully satisfied with their product, and I take any feedback that they give me on how to improve. I advertise through social media websites such as Facebook, Twitter, and YouTube, and also through word of mouth, which I found that could be a huge help. I've also started on making commercials that I will later post on YouTube.com once I launch my own website. I also sell on Etsy.com, as I mentioned, which is a required 20-cent fee per wallet that I post on their website. And in order to increase sales, I offer sales promotions, such as if you buy 2 online, I offer free shipping, which is about $1 per wallet, for a minimal $1.20 for promotional expenses. Now let's take a look at the real numbers. As I mentioned earlier also, duct tape is very inexpensive. So all I really need to get the wallets going are duct tape, I need to pay the Etsy selling fee, and I need to buy some packaging envelopes, which altogether add up to 90 cents per wallet. As for the labor cost, they are very easy to make. It takes up to 20 minutes to make one, and at $8 an hour, that's $2.67 per wallet. Altogether, the cost of goods sold adds up to $3.57. So, if I sell each wallet at $10, minus all other expenses, I will have made a total profit of $5.23 per wallet. When I first started this business, I did not expect to reach such high numbers as I did, but it turns out that people wanted something unique. This is a product that people really want, and they tell their friends, and their friends want one too. So I'm averaging right now at about 30 wallets a month, which is pretty good. And in June, I wish to hopefully start my own website and launch it, which will only increase my numbers exponentially because of demand. So by the end of the year, I expect to sell around 542 wallets. All I needed to start up this business was $45. I needed to get duct tape, a cutting board, and some cutting equipment, which is very inexpensive and can all be found at your local hardware stores. So at $45, I was able to start this business, and it is very successful so far. Well, what we are about is offering customers a cruelty-free product, but we are also big supporters of breast cancer awareness. So I make white wallets with a pink ribbon on them, and all profit made on those are donated to the Susan G. Komen Foundation to raise breast cancer awareness. And what makes the business so successful is maximizing profit. So all the scraps left over from previous wallets are saved and put into a new wallet, as well as all unsold wallets are stored for future selling events. One of the things that I want to do in the future is go overseas and start mass production, but it's kind of hard to do with duct tape because they're handmade. So right now I'm doing a lot of research and looking into a lot of materials in order to find a substitute material that is also cruelty-free, but that I will also be able to make wallets out of. And once that happens, I will go overseas, start mass production, and hopefully start my own line. And with this, it includes making new products such as purses, bracelets, and hair accessories, which have a huge industry on their own. One of the goals that I have when I launch my new website is to make purchasing wallets as smoothly as possible for my customers. And by doing this, I have designed an online program that gives my customers a three-dimensional view of what their final wallet will look like. And if they are satisfied, they purchase it, and it sends me the information in order to start producing it as fast as possible. And also one of the things that I have realized with duct tape is it gets a little hard to cut. So I've started designs on a machine that works with a computer, where you insert the design that you want into the computer, you insert the duct tape into the machine, and the computer will cut it for you. Well, thank you for your consideration, and remember, Onyx, helping you keep your money safe in a good-looking way. Thank you.